Hey there, Zoho CRM enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tutorials to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to add a signature in Zoho CRM 2025. If you're a sales pro, marketer, or anyone using Zoho for emails, adding a professional signature can elevate your communication game. It's a simple feature that helps you include your name, contact info, and even a logo, making your emails look polished and credible. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. That's your gateway to customizing your CRM experience. Now, in the Settings menu, navigate to the Email section. Look for Email Signatures or something similar. Zoho might have updated the interface slightly for 2025, but it should be straightforward. Click on that, and you'll see an option to add a new signature. Here, you can type in your details, like your full name, job title, phone number, and company website. Don't forget to use the rich text editor to make it fancy. Add bold text, italics, or even insert an image for your logo. After you've crafted your signature, hit the Save button. To apply it, go back to your email composer in Zoho CRM and select this signature from the drop-down when you're drafting an email. Test it out by sending a quick email to yourself to ensure everything looks perfect. One quick tip. Keep your signature concise. Aim for 4 to 6 lines to avoid overwhelming your recipients. Also, if you run into any issues, double-check your account permissions or reach out to Zoho's support, as the 2025 updates might have new features. There you have it. Adding a signature in Zoho CRM is a breeze and can really boost your professional image. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more CRM tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.